What's going on, y'all? Monty tuning in. In the last week, I made $1,200 on TikTok. I'm showing people how that they can make money from TikTok. And all you really need to do is book a consultation with me, and I'll teach you everything that you need to know. It's very simple, guys. I post 3 videos a day to my TikTok, and I'm making literally $1,200 a week very easily, and it's very stress-free. I was someone that couldn't get a job, and I'm very qualified, a college graduate. I graduated from a prestigious high school, and no one wanted to hire me. I literally, couldn't find a job for 3 months. 4 months of me searching for a job, no one wanted to hire me. I make it to the interview, and then once I get to the interview, they're like, oh, we're gonna talk to somebody else. Even though I'm perfectly qualified, for me, it was either I was always overqualified or underqualified, never good enough. So now I can make money, I'm relaxed, and I don't need anybody. So I'm teaching people how to do the same exact thing and get the same amount of freedom in their own lives. All you have to do is reach out to me for a consultation, and we'll make your life a lot more stress-free. That's the kind of life I want to live, a stress-free life, where I can sit down, make a video in the middle of the day, and not be pressed about a single thing. Because all I do is review products. And it's very simple, and anyone can do it. And honestly, it's harder for me because I'm a more intimidating person. For the same reason I couldn't get a job, I'm a more intimidating person. So I'm literally like the bottom tier of earners. And I'm doing pretty well. Literally in the first week and a half, not even, I made about $1,400, and there's people making $8,000 a day. I have companies reaching out to me every single day, post my product, make a video every single day. I have about 10 companies minimum a day that reach out to me and it's the intimidating guy that nobody likes and outcasts that's making this kind of money. And I'm really just showing you guys the free game, it was very hard for me to get to this stage, and there's a lot of people that gate kept, and I'm just not going to be one of those people. So I'm teaching you everything that you need to know so that you don't have to rely on people, because I know how it is out there. Simple as that, guys. It's a simple video. I want it to be about 3 minutes long, so I'll just say a quick prayer. Let's pray for those who need it. Pray for those who need Jesus. Pray for those who need God. Life is good, man. When you smell the coffee, when you can look up in the sky, you see the rich guys flying their airplanes. Once rich guys, because you probably are richer if you're flying an airplane, just saying. You can definitely contradict it, but all right, it's been over 3 minutes. My job is done here. Peace out, y'all. Stay up and hit me up for a consultation. Let's make some money together. Peace. I'm also doing a Discord. So, you can hop in the Discord, chop it up with me. I'll be there. And there's going to be other successful people as well that we can all share our stories and grow with and level up. All right, y'all. Peace.